Welcome to the 2026 Food Revolution Summit Docuseries Replay Weekend. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we dive into the most pressing issues facing our health and our planet today, all centered around the food on our plate. For just this one weekend, you will have access to all 8 episodes of the entire summit and 24 of the expert interviews featuring New York Times bestselling authors, holistic doctors, and food experts. Folks who are leading the charge in cutting-edge science. If you're passionate about optimizing your health, if you're concerned about chronic illness or brain health or mental illness or cancer or the future of life on Earth, we got you covered and you're in the right place. Every episode is going to be jam-packed with the latest breaking insights, practical tips, and inspiration to help you take control of your health and transform your life with food. We totally understand that watching over 34 hours of video content in one weekend, along with capturing notes on all the aha moments, might be a challenge. So if you want more time to absorb this material, you may want to check out the Empowerment Package. It gives you access to all the docuseries episodes, all 41 expert interviews, audio downloads, written transcripts, recipes, cooking demonstrations, recordings of 8 expert Q&As, and over $1,000 worth of powerful bonuses. And for this weekend, we're offering it at a 50% discount one more time as our way of saying thank you for being a part of this community. And we encourage you to share your thoughts, to connect with others, and get inspired to take action in the comment stream right on this page. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you for caring about the food that you eat. And thank you for joining in the 2026 Food Revolution Summit Docuseries Replay Weekend. Let's do this.